This moment captured on camera is hard to watch. It shows a truck rushing through the intersection, taking a sharp left turn just before the light turns red. A dog flies out of the window, bouncing off the pavement. Incredibly, it manages to get up and limp its way out of the intersection. According to an online post, this incident was captured on a dash cam around 11:30 a.m. last Wednesday on Blanchard Street and Pandora.
It's pretty upsetting to see that little guy fall like that, hit the ground, and in traffic especially.
The backlash online has been swift. And animal rescuer Leslie Steeves says she has a lot of unanswered questions after watching the video.
It looks like he bounced and was wagging his tail and then trotted off. We don't have any information whether the dog was eventually picked up by the guardians or by somebody else.
There are very few details about what exactly went wrong or what happened after the cameras stopped rolling. The BC SPCA has issued a statement simply confirming it's investigating the incident but saying it can't comment any further on the case. Although at least one post online suggests the incident has been phoned in to the police, Vic PD says there is no open file on the vehicle or the owner. Steve says this isn't the first time she's heard of dogs being thrown from vehicles on Vancouver Island.
But another case here in Victoria where a woman had a lot of dogs in the vehicle and she went around a corner maybe a little too fast and one of the dogs just went out the window in the middle of a really busy intersection.
The message is to keep your pets safe in the car. It's important to have them secured.
We always advise that the dog is either in a secure crate or carrier. Failing that, a seatbelt harness type situation with a well-fitted harness and a seatbelt clip. You can get those at any local pet store.
ICBC says while it's not illegal to drive with a dog, it does recommend using a restraint when transporting a pet.